Hi! Today I'll show you how to use Julie Emulator on a Bosch ME7.4.5 ECU installed in a 2007 Peugeot 307 convertible with 1.6 gasoline engine and 109 horsepower. Let's find out if the car is starting up correctly. Now I'm going to simulate a damaged key. I wrapped it in tinfoil. It will block the IMMO transponder signal. As you see, the starter is working, but the engine doesn't start up. Let's take the ECU out. It's located by the battery. Connect the ECU on the table to check if the emulator is working correctly. For this purpose, connect the ECU according to the pinout. Now, carefully open the ECU cover. This ECU is equipped with a 95/320 EEPROM memory. Mark the location of the first leg. You have to unsolder it and read its content. Clean the soldering pads from the remainders of tin. Using an adapter, read the program with a programmer. Pay attention to the location of the first memory leg. Using the programmer, change the following values in the memory content. Solder the memory back into the ECU. Now, solder jumpers 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 on Julie Emulator using a soldering iron and tin. Connect the wires. Power, ground, CAN high, CAN low. And connect the emulator. Install the ECU back into the car or connect it on the table and turn the ignition on. The blue LED means that the emulator has been successfully self-adjusted. Notice that the key is still wrapped in tinfoil. The car starts and works correctly. That's all. If you like this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See ya in the next video.